doing the sumo thing yet.
The stage.
What's that?
There's a drum. Yeah, they got strong people in there. They want to
Yeah, they do. Look at all those guys.
strong. They can roll some boats. Everybody else is corny and little, you know?
Yeah, look at that. They're powerful. Yeah.
Even the women was big on their shoe. They have nobody little on that team.
I wonder how deep the water is.
Oh, look at that.
Gladiators, nice.
Are you going to the after?
What is it again? Oh, those were the guys on the boat that went really fast.
Oh, this one?
Yeah, no, and the green.
The green one?
Yeah.
The green one's growing, baby.
It has some strong guys.
Oh, look at that! That's a video!
Oh, cool.
I told you, look at the drone.
The drone. I didn't hear you.
I
Sorry.
didn't hear it
Nobody pays
either.
attention to me.
Sorry. The drone is so cute.
I'll be like, come bring my umbrella too. I thought about that. I said,
Oh my god, the drone is so cute. The drone is coming over.
He's coming for you, June.
Hi. I'm gonna make a video of the drone.
Maybe it's not facing us because she's
I don't
waving.
know. Back the other way, but anyway.
Maybe.
Who's flying it?
I don't know.
Wow, it's going up really high now.
So, oh,
Look at
that's
the kid.
team
He's so
2.
excited.
That's team 2.
Yes, come on.
They're going to the boat.
to the boat.
Oh shoot! Come on, let's go.
Oh yeah, you guys gotta go back. Yeah.